All right, so we're a little closer than I thought it would be. So we're at 6210, and there's just a little Korean lilac that I wanted to point out to you. So that is Syringa pubescens, subspecies Petula. And you can see from the shape of the leaves, and you can see the spent flowers, that that's what it was. But otherwise, everything seems to be pretty much evergreen. It's a nice vine maple, and I know it's not this quarter, but this Hollywood juniper just really is gorgeous. So beautiful. There's something. So yeah, it's right underneath this monkey puzzle. Right, and then we went up to see the beaches. Okay, so this here is a big, huge Corylus cornuta bar californica, and you can see that it reaches out, arches over. It's been nicely pruned up. If we were to get close to the leaves, they'd be fuzzy. And it almost looks like you understand why it's called a hazelnut, because it looks like it should belong to the hazel family or the witch hazel family, but it doesn't. It's Betulaceae. And then I just wanted to go up the street here because these trees are just so beautiful. Because I did this, right? It was up here next. So you can see this deep, deep purple color, and these are purple beech. So beech are Fagus, Sylvatica, and then it's is it Purpurea group or Atrapurpurea group that I write down there?
I think you didn't.
Oh, I didn't do these ones?
No.
Maybe we'll come to another one. I think we saw it on the street next door, but we'll see these ones.
Okay.
So, again, Fagus, Sylvatica, Purpurea group for purple beech. And these are gorgeous, and just touching them, they're sticky. You know that they're infested with aphids. There's your woolly aphids. But we identify beech by having the hairs along the margins. You can see, especially when the sun's shining through, you can see the hairs along the margin, and then they have a very smooth gray bark. So I think we're going to go back down to Green Lake Way and continue on. And we might have messed with our video, but that's okay. It'll be fine. Oh, my hands are so sticky.
Yeah.
All right. And then you can see the Coleridge across the street that we've already seen. And so we're going to turn this house with the amazing monkey puzzle. Some of them are diseased, so this is looking really nice. Not particularly inspiring landscaping for such a big, beautiful house.
The ivy on the
No. Nope. Okay, and then we have another baby sycamore maple here. The purple version. And then you have the Acer palmatum var dissectum ornatum. There's a couple of them in here. And lots of things that are just hedged. So this is a all fall quarter. And then we have some other Parodias here. So these are a little taller, a little older, but again, like, to maintain their narrowness, they're going to require a lot of pruning. So I'm not sure they were designed to be a parking strip tree. In fact, I'm nearly sure they weren't. We've got one here that he's got a nice tall trunk, but nonetheless. All right, and then we have some more gold flame spirea. So Spirea expomalda, gold flame, starting to have that pink flower. Quite pretty. Oh, and then there's a couple bagatelle barberries, which should not have been planted right beside the ivy because they're going to get swallowed up. So Berberis thunbergii, Corum atropurpurea, bagatelle. Big old ugly spirea. It's looking really sad. It's got mildew, all kinds of stuff. So, and then there's a snowberry up there. Do you see it's a pink flowering form? So this Informocarpus albus, snowberry caprifoliaceae. And there's a Scotch broom, but I think we're going to see this Scotch broom over here a lot closer. So this is Cytisus scopularius for the Scotch broom. In the Fabaceae family, it's mostly stopped flowering. You can see a few little yellow ones. You can get these really fuzzy seed pods, and then the very grooved stem of Scotch broom. Basically, if you see this in your garden, you should yank it out because it's really hard to take out once it's established because it gets a really deep taproot. It does fix the nitrogen, and that's pretty much its only benefit. Also, underneath the tree over there, you can see it's Corylus cornuta var californica, and that's typical for the way they pop up. All right, and then here we have Chenomeles speciosa for the flowering quince. So it stopped flowering, but you can see the fruit starting to form here, and so it'll turn into little lime green apples. You have to be careful with the fruit. For whatever reason, it's not any movement to it and they start to fall off. So if it's going to mature, you have to leave it alone. But you can see the stipules, these little lace collars that are so typical of Chenomeles. Shiny, lots of different sizes of leaves. There's some more snowberry, and then here is some more of the Spirea ex Van Hootii for the Van Hoot spirea. So it's got, I know these ladies, just a second.